If CapCut is showing an unstable network connection problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back to editing fast. We'll cover using a VPN, clearing CapCut cache files, checking Windows Firewall permissions, and forcing an update check inside the app. These fixes are especially useful if CapCut is getting stuck while loading materials, syncing cloud resources, or just refusing to connect properly. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut and software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it. Alright, let's jump in. First, try using a VPN. In some cases, local internet service providers can block or limit CapCut services, which can cause unstable connection errors. To test this, close CapCut completely so it is not running in the background. Then download a reliable free VPN service such as Proton VPN. Once it is installed, open the VPN and connect to a region where CapCut operates fully, such as the United States or Germany. After that, relaunch CapCut and try loading your materials again. If the issue was caused by your network route or ISP restrictions, this may solve it right away. If the problem continues, the next step is to clear the CapCut cache files. Corrupted local cache data can stop the app from communicating properly with the network, and clearing it is a safe way to refresh things without deleting your actual projects. Inside CapCut Desktop, click the Settings gear icon in the top corner. From there, select Settings and go to the Project tab. Look for the cache size option, then click Clear. This will remove temporary cache files, but it will not delete your video projects, so it is safe to do. Once the cache is cleared, restart CapCut and test whether the network connection is stable again. Now let's check Windows Firewall permissions. Sometimes Windows Defender, or the Firewall, can mistakenly classify CapCut's cloud requests as a security threat and block the data exchange. To fix that, press the Windows key and search for Firewall and Network Protection. Open it, then click Allow an app through Firewall. In the next window, click Change Settings at the top right so you can edit the permissions. Find CapCut.ee in the list and make sure both the private and public boxes are ticked. This allows CapCut to communicate over your network more freely. After that, click OK to save the settings, and then reopen CapCut to see if the issue is gone. If you are still getting the unstable network connection message, the next thing to do is force an environment update test. An outdated version of CapCut may not sync correctly with newer back-end cloud resources, and that can cause immediate material loading drops or connection errors. Open CapCut and stay on the home page. Click the Settings gear icon again, then choose Version. From there, click Check for updates. If an update is available, download it and let the app restart so the changes can be applied. Updating the app can fix hidden bugs, improve compatibility, and restore proper network communication. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the unstable network connection problem in CapCut. If you want the best results, try the VPN step first, then clear the cache, then check Firewall permissions, and finally make sure CapCut is fully updated. That way you cover the most common causes, one by one. If this video helps you solve the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more CapCut error fixes step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.